Osmo Action 6 firmware version 01.01.0237. Before we had these squares in the corners, but with this new update we can choose to remove them at the cost of a small crop. Filming in OpenGate mode with Action 6 still have a major advantage, because you are free to choose the exact framing you need. However, as you can see, it still is not as wide as filming in regular 16:9 ratio. And here is the difference between OpenGate 4:3 and 16:9. And here I have done some lens correction to fix the distortion. My conclusion is that 4:3 is still wider, but 1:1 OpenGates give you more room to adjust the height. So yes, the Action 6 OpenGate mode will work if you need the option to crop to other formats like TikTok, Shorts and Reels. So I know what I will be using. OpenGate, of course.